Hello everyone, I'm Victor from MonChart. Today I will show you how to connect Google Search Console and turn your search performance into live dashboards. You can share anywhere, it only takes a minute. First step, please sign in to your MonChart account using your credentials or create free account. Open your profile page and click Connect to Google Search Console. A Google sign-in window will open a proof read-only access and your Search Console account will be connected automatically. You will see all websites you already verified in Google Search Console. Then open Board page and click Add Tile. Choose Search Console and pick up site which would like to use for adding charts and click Add all 8. MonChart includes 8 built-in Search Console charts. Like click by device, click by country, top pages, top queries, clicks, impressions, average CTR, average position. You can choose your time frame, for example last 7 days, and then generate new AI summary. Alright, after that you can turn off some charts if you think that they are not applicable for your dashboard. Please notice you can make it private also you can do it publishable if you click on this button or embed to any websites. Please notice you can do it auto-sync and after that your data will update it automatically, for example every 30 minutes. Your team always sees the latest available Google Search Console data. MonChart refreshes your Search Console charts automatically so your dashboards stay up to date. Please note that Google Search Console normally reports data with some delays. 2-3 days delays it's normal, so the most recent days may not be available yet. Search Console are available with premium version or free trial for 7 days. You can also combine Search Console with Google Analytics, YouTube, GitHub, Salesforce, Stripe, Zendesk, Jira and other integrations in the same dashboard. Connect your Search Console property, build your live dashboard and start sharing your SEO performance at monchart.com. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.